Bakit ba kasi sa inaraw-araw na lang na ginawa ng Diyos ay ramdam na ramdam mo na para kang isusuka ng law school? In tonight's episode, I want to talk to you why you do not feel you belong in law school. All of this and more coming right up. This episode is brought to you by Dekada! 10 life lessons from 10 years in law school. Sa akdang ito, ako na ang nagkamali na dapa, lumuha at nasaktan para ikaw kapatid ay makatapos sa loob ng 4 o 6 na taon. Think of it as a game guide, a cheat sheet that you can use throughout your law school journey. By purchasing this ebook, you are sowing the seeds of free legal aid for those who fall within the gaps of the law. With your help, we can bring the law to the people and more people to the law. Grab your copy through the link in the description down below. Hi, my name is Lex and welcome to Lex in Motion. In this channel, I'll be helping you build your competence, confidence, and capability in law school. Start today by hitting the subscribe button below. New episodes are posted every Friday. Nagbabadya na ang finals exams, kapatid, at hindi ko alam kung kailangan mo itong marinig. Pero parang ang bilis lang ng semester na nakaraan. Time is a paradox in law school. Our perception of time is greatly distorted on so many levels. Hindi ba't pakiramdam mo na parang ang tagal-tagal na mula nung ikaw ay nag-attend ng freshman orientation sa College of Law? Pero bakit parang kailan lang noong una kang nangarap na maging abogado? Time is a paradox in law school. The semester is almost over. Ang mga bobong sagot mo na lang sa finals ang kailangan. Ay ready na ang mga professor mong magpasa ng bagsak mong grade. Yet, you feel that you have been where you are right now for what would now feel like forever. This is because the special relativity of time teaches us that we experience time depending on how fast we are moving. In law school, we feel that we have been stuck in a particular school year, yet during the time that you are mindlessly scrolling on social media, when an argument is being presented to you as to the merits of a particular dairy product and the demerits of paper, then you experience time differently. Part of why this happens, kapatid, is because there is a tiny voice in your head that tells you that you do not belong in law school. Ang bulong na ito ay tila nagiging sigaw sa mga pagkakataong ikaw ay tumatanggap ng mga midterm grades na kahit Coke float at fries kulang pang ipambabayad. You do not belong in law school. You know that, kapatid. Yet we can spend months, maybe even years, telling ourselves that we can do it. We have it in us. Susuka pero hindi susuko. Malayo pa pero malayo na. We can keep selling this shit to ourselves and we can keep eating it up. Yet, for how long? The savage truth of it all, kapatid, is that no one truly belongs in law school. You do not belong in law school because no one actually belongs in law school. When you begin your law school journey, acknowledge that you are a stranger in this world and that it takes a certain level of psychopathy and dysfunction for you to actually want to be part of this world. No one belongs in law school, kapatid. Hindi ang mga kaklase mong 3rd or 4th generation lawyers. Dahil malamang sa malamang ay hinapilit lamang ang desisyon na yun sa kanila. Hindi ikaw na kinder pa lamang ay nangangarap ng maging abogada. You do not belong here. In Dex versus San Diego, the Supreme Court reminds us that we cannot be a society of square pegs in round holes. That is true. If a person does not demonstrate aptitude in the law, then perhaps that person is better suited in a career as a pianist, an engineer. Noong panahon namin mas mahapdi dahil pinapauwi na kami ng probinsya para magtayo ng vulcanizing, magtanim ng kamote o maging housewife na lang. Hindi mo pwedeng lokohin ang sarili mo na kaya mo, kapatid. Kasi hindi ito sustainable. Hindi mo ito mapapanindigan hanggang ikaw gay makapagtapos at umabot hanggang bar exam. When you enroll in law school, you are a square peg. You are a board with four sides. With the careful guidance of your professors, the sheer volume of the work you have to do, and the harsh lessons in and out of the classroom, babaguhin ka ng Diyos. Hanggang ikaw ay bumilog, hanggang ikaw ay matorno, mahubog at mahulma bilang isang round peg fit for a round hole. In the olden days, we were simply told to trust the process. Put one foot forward, one after the other. One provision at a time. One case at a time. Put in the reps and in time, you will still not belong in law school. Hindi ka kasi dapat forever na narito. At some point, you have to take the leap and prove yourself worthy of belonging to the legal profession. My advice sa iyo, kapatid, ikaw na aliw sa ideya na ice cream is yummy, na ice cream is good, enjoy the process. God will find a way to break you and heal you. In my case, I was a recovering drug addict trying to find my way in law school. If that did not happen, I would not have had the heart to love the least, the last, and the lost. I wouldn't have had the heart to love those who are desperate for second chances. Hindi nagkamali ang Diyos na tawagin kanya, kapatid, upang ikaw ay maglingkod bilang abogado. Magtiwala ka lang, nakakayanin mo ang kanyang proseso. Dahil dyan, kapatid, ikaw ay aking inaanyayahan na dumalo sa ating nalalapit na The LXM Bootcamp Batch 15. This is our program to help you determine if you are for law school, if law school is for you, or both. If you are a current law student, this is a chance for you to review the courses you have already taken and an opportunity to learn in advance for the courses you are about to take. The LXM Bootcamp Batch 15 is happening this December 9 to 15, 2024. Our classes will follow the typical hours of law students from 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. on the weeknights and afternoons for the weekend. Sign up today and enjoy the special discount through the link in the description box below. Salamat, kapatid, kung inabot mo ang ending ng episode na ito. Salamat kung sa ilang minutong nagdaan ikaw ay may natutunan. If you would like to see more content on how to build your confidence in law school, please let me know by typing yes in the comments down below. Alam ko na simpleng yes lang ito, kapatid, pero mahalaga ito sa amin. By typing yes in the comments, you are telling me and telling the team that what we do here is helpful. By typing yes in the comments, you are telling me and telling the team that an actual sentient human being watched this episode at may totoong tao ang nakinabang sa aming pinagpaguran. Thank you so much for watching. Like and share this episode for good law school karma, and I will see you again next Friday.